Magandang araw, ABM student. Simulan na natin ang pag-aaral natin sa accounting. Introduction to accounting. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to, number 1, define accounting. Number 2, describe the nature of accounting. Number 3, explain the function of accounting in business. Number 4, briefly narrate the history of accounting. Number 5, understand why we study accounting. Malalaman niyo yung kahulugan ng accounting. Ano ba yung nature ng accounting? Ano ba yung mga function nito? Ano ba yung history nito? At maintindihan niyo bakit tayo dapat mag-aral ng accounting. Ano ba yung kahulugan ng accounting? The Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants, PICPA, defines accounting as a service activity. Its function is to provide quantitative information, primarily financial in nature, about economic entities that is intended to be useful in making economic decisions. So the function of accounting is to provide quantitative information, primarily financial in nature. Kagaya na nakikita nyo, meron dito financial statement ako inenda sa kanan, na makikita nyo, meron dyan quantitative information. Pag sinabi natin quantitative information, mga numero yan. Mga information na mga numero, numbers. At sabi niya, primarily financial in nature. Ibig sabihin, may mga value. Pag value, ibig sabihin yan ay tungkol sa pera. So, ang statement na yan, yung nakikita nyo na ginawa ng accounting ay mga numero tungkol sa pera na nagpapakita ng pera na tumatakbo sa loob ng isang negosyo. So, gaano ito kalaga? Intended to be useful making economic decision. Pag nakita na ito, nagawa na ito, magkakaroon ka ng information. At yung information na yon useful in making economic decision. Kasi halimbawa, income statement yung din nakita mo. Sa income statement, nagpapakita yun kung kumikita o hindi ang isang negosyo. Makakapag-decide ka, ba kumikita pala, dapat ipagpatuloy ang negosyo. Making reasoned choices among alternative course of action. Makakagawa ka ng alternative course of action. Alam mo yung wrong and right, kasi pwede mong tingnan ano ba yung produktong kumikita, ano yung produktong hindi kumikita. So pwede natin ipagpatuloy yung produktong kumikita, pigilan yung mga hindi kumikitang produkto, at mag-add tayo ng panibagong produkto. So pwede kang magkaroon ng tamang desisyon dahil nakita mo yung tinatawag natin financial report. Accounting definition. Technical definition of accounting have been published by different accounting bodies. The American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, PICPA, defines accounting as the art of recording, classifying, summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transaction, and events which are in part at least of financial character and interpreting the results thereof. So number 1, the nature and purpose of accounting. Accounting is considered an art. Why? Accounting is considered an art because it requires the use of skills and creative judgment. One has to be trained in this discipline to be able to perform accounting function well. Kailangan niya ng use of skills. Dapat maging creative pagdating sa accounting. No, meron kang creative judgment. Kaya mong husgahan yung bawat bagay, tama o mali, kung saan ilalagay. Dapat ito ay meron kang skills na ganon. Yun ang ituturo sa accounting. Number 2, accounting involves interconnected process. What are those? Recording pertains to writing down or keeping records of business transaction. Pag sinabi natin recording, susulat lang tayo kung ano-ano yung mga business transaction. Ano-ano yung mga nangyaring business transaction sa ating business. Classifying involves grouping similar items that have been recorded. Ina-classify natin pagkatapos masulat natin kasi pag nag-record kayo yan, susulat nyo yung nangyari. Pagkasulat nyo kung anong nangyari, nagkakaroon kayo ng debit and credit. Sa ngayon, hindi nyo pa alam kung pupunta yung mga accounts sa left or right. Pero ibig sabihin yung mga account na yan, pagkatapos yung i-record, ika-classify nyo. I-involve nyo yung grouping. Pagsasamahin-samahin nyo yung pare-pareho. Ibig sabihin, ito ba account na ito ay para sa asset o sa pag-aari ng company. Ito bang account na ito ay para sa liabilities, utang ng kumpanya, o itong account na ito ay para sa owner's equity, no? Yung kapital na binigay ng owners. So yan yung mga kailangan nating malaman, no? Once they are classified, information is summarized into reports which we call financial statement. Later on yan, pagkatapos yung magawa, inaayos naman yan, sinasummarize yan sa isang report na tinatawag na financial statement. Number 3, concerned with transaction and events having financial character. For example, hiring an additional employee is qualitative information with no financial character. Hence, it is not recorded. So, ibig sabihin, concerned tayo doon sa mga transaction na may financial character. May value ng pera. May halaga. Halimbawa, nag-hire tayo ng additional employee. Nung mag-hire tayo, wala naman lumabas na pera, wala naman pumasok na pera, so wala tayong i-record. Hindi mahalaga sa atin doon, yung bagay na yon. So, mahalaga lang sa atin pag may pumasok, lumabas na pera, doon tayo nagre-record. Ang sabi dito, however, the payment of salaries, acquisition of an office building, sales of goods, etc. are recorded because they involve financial value. Kailan tayo magre-record? Pag yung hinire natin empleyado, binayaran na natin ang sweldo, i-record na natin yun. Halimbawa, bumili naman tayo ng office building, i-record din natin yun dahil may lumabas sa ating pera. Ngayon, kung nagbenta naman tayo ng goods, i-record din yan. No? Kasi may tinatanggap din tayo ng pera. Basta mayroong value lumalabas o pumapasok sa atin, yan ay nagre-record tayo. Business transactions are expressed in terms of money. They are assigned amounts when processed in an accounting system. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng transaction natin, ini-express natin in terms of money. Ibig sabihin, nilalagyan natin ng value. Pagka nagkabentahan, magkano? Magkano ba nawala? Magkano ang binayad? Magkano ang tinanggap? So, sinusulat natin yan. Peso ba yan? Dollars ba yan? So, sinusulat natin yan. Nire-record natin yan. Yung mga business transaction dapat ay may value ng pera. Number 5, interpreting the result. Interpreting result is part of the process of accounting. Information is useless if they cannot be interpreted and understood. The amounts, figures, and other data in the financial report have meanings that are useful to the users. Ibig sabihin, dapat na-interpret natin yung resulta. Pagkatapos yan ay magawa, nagpo-produce tayo, pagkatapos natin mag-record, mag-classify, mag-summarize, nagpo-produce tayo ng financial statement. At yun ay ini-interpret natin. Yung financial statement mismo, kung marunong kang tumingin, alam mo na kagad kung kumita ka. Halimbawa, for instance, titingnan mo yung financial statement natin, yung income statement. Pag nakita mo doon na meron kang net income, kumita ka. Pag net loss, syempre nalugi ka. So doon pa lang, makikita natin pa lang doon, by the numbers, alam na natin kumita tayo. So kaya natin i-interpret ilang percent ba ang kita natin? Sapat na ba yun? So yun ang interpretation naman pag ginagamit sa management. For aspect of accounting, para mas maliwanag, no, meron tayong recording sa accounting. Writing down of business transaction chronologically in the books of account as they transpire. So nililista natin ang mga transaction. Lahat ng business transaction nililista natin yan. Halimbawa, January 1, January 2, nililista natin. Kung transaction ng January 1, basta may value yan. January 2, kung anong value niya, kung bumili tayo. O, January 3, kung nagbenta tayo. January 4, kung tayo umupa. Kung magkano ang halaga, nililista natin yan. Classifying, sorting similar and related business transaction into the three categories of asset, liabilities, and owner's equity. Pag tayo nagka-classify, halimbawang nai-record na natin ng isang transaction, halimbawa ang account ay cash, ilalagay natin sa amba ang cash, yan ba sa asset, o pag-aari ba yan ng kumpanya, yan ba ay utang ba ng kumpanya, o yan ba ay owner's equity, no? So nilalagay natin, pinaklasify natin ang lahat ng account doon sa tatlo. Yan yun. Later on, maintindihan niyo yan. Summarizing, preparing the financial statements from the transaction recorded in the books of accounts. So, nire-record dyan the book of accounts that are designed to meet the information need of each users. So, meron tayong income statement, meron tayong statement of cash flow, statement of retained earnings, balance sheet. So, yan lahat ay sinasummarize natin. Preparing the financial statement. May mga information dyan na kinakailangan sa bawat isa. Inililipat, no? Nasa-summarize kung saan kailangang mga report. Later on, makikita nyo rin yan pag nagagawa na tayo ng financial report. Interpreting, representing the qualitative and quantitative financial information about the business transaction in a language comprehensible to the users of financial statement. By interpreting the data in the financial statement, users are able to determine the financial standing of the company as well as its stability and growth. Pag tayo nag-i-interpret, halimbawa tumitingin tayo ng financial report, magkakaroon tayo ng qualitative and quantitative financial information. Number 1 is quantitative information. Of course, we can see the quantitative numbers. Kagaya ng example dyan, income. Meron dyan sample, no? Maliit lang nilagay dyan, $100. Gross profit, $100. Yun yung income. Niles yung lahat ng expenses, and all expenses ay $25. Ileles mo dun sa 100. 100, less mo yung $25 equals to $75. Ang tawag dun ay net profit. Yun ang pinakakita. Binawas na yung kinita mo na binawasan ng expenses. No? Halimbawa, nakabenta ka, 100. Tapos, magkano lahat ang gastusin mo doon? Yun yung $25. Yung natitira, pag minus mo na yung $75, yun ang net profit. Pag lumaki yan, ganun din, the same, yung net profit pa rin ang kita. Pagka nagkabalik na dyan, naging negative yan, mas malaki yung expenses, ang tawag doon ay net loss. Ibig sabihin, nalulugi na ang kumpanya. So, doon pa lang sa numero, pag nakita mo, na-interpret mo na, kumikita ang company. O kaya, pag naman nalulugi ang company. Yun ang tinatawag natin quantitative, no? Pag qualitative, kaya mong gumawa ng report to interpret yung financial report. Makikita mo na kumikita ang company ng 25%, ng 50% per month, o 25 increase. Kung mayroon naman tayong comparison per year, no? Increase of 15% per year ang income, no? So, meron tayong interpretation na qualitative. Pwede natin isulat yun. Kasi bakit kailangan isulat yun? Some of the members, some of the users ng accounting ay hindi masyado marunong ng accounting. Kaya yung accountant ang mag-i-interpret ng financial report para sa kanila. Function of accounting. Maintenance of systematic records. Nagme-maintain tayo ng isang systematic records. Ibig sabihin, may sistema yung pagre-records natin at pag-maintain natin. May sinusunod tayong accounting standard. Financial result of an entity can be communicated. Yung financial result, yung financial statement, pwede natin i-communicate na maliwanag sa bawat users. Sino magagamit, sino nangangailangan ng financial statement o yung resulta ay maiintindihan nila. Meeting legal requirements, ginagamit din ito, yung accounting sa mga legal requirements. Halimbawa, maglo-loan ka, minsan nahingi sila ng financial report. O kaya, magbabayad ka ng tax, kailangan din yan sa legal requirements. Protecting asset of a business. Mapoprotektahan natin yan, asset ng business o yung pag-aari ng kumpanya kung tayo ay nag-accounting. Bakit? Ang asset ng business, halimbawa, mga equipments. 100 equipments. Dapat yan nakalista, meron isang daang equipments. Pag naging yan ay 99, makikita natin na nawawala ang isa. Ngayon, hindi lang yun, no? Makikita rin natin yung value niya. Mababantayan sa accounting kung magkano yung value ng bawat asset. Kasi minsan, bumababa ang value ng bawat asset. May life value kasi ang bawat asset. So, assistance to management. Ibig sabihin, nagagamit ito ng management para sa decision making. Pag naintindihan nila yung financial report, makakapag-decide sila kung anong gagawin sa kumpanya. Kung nalulugi ang kumpanya, anong dapat? Isarado ba ang kumpanya? Humanap ng panibagong investor? Kung kumikita ang kumpanya, anong dapat? Magdagdag pa ng panibagong produkto? O maghanap ng panibagong lugar? Magkakaroon sila ng economic decision para i-improve ang takbuhan ng kumpanya. Origin and evolution of or history of accounting. So, maikli lang ito. Stone Age. In this age, people used to different types of images, symbols, cave engraving for bookkeeping. Noon pa mang Stone Age, gumagamit na ng mga images, symbols. Saka mga pagsusulat doon sa kuweba. Ancient Age. In this age, people used to make knots with the help of ropes by making marks on walls and bamboo for keeping accounts. Gumagamit ng lubid, no? Pagbubuhol. Ancient Age. Exchange Age. In this era, people used to calculate the exchange of goods by painting the walls. Nagpipinta sa mga walls of the grounds or carving wooden doors in this age. An instrument called abacus was used in China for accounting. Ginamit na rin yung abacus sa China. Money age. In this age, the currency was used as a medium of transaction. Cory leather was used as a medium of transaction. Money age yan. The history of accounting can be traced to Asian civilization. Noong pa yan, kahit noong Asian civilization, yung accounting. The Roman Empire had access to detailed financial information as seen in the deeds of the divine Augustus. Accounting records dating back more than 7,000 years have been found in Mesopotamia. Other early accounting records were also found in the ruins of ancient Babylon, Assyria, and Sumeria. So may accounting na noon pa. Matagal na accounting. The merchants during the Goryeo dynasty of Korea kept track of their businesses and trades through record-keeping methodologies. Pero yung tinatawag nating father of accounting, si Luca Bartolomeo di Pacioli, ang tinatawag na ama ng accounting. Sapagkat nag-publish siya ng libro noon, yan, ang librong yan ay Summary of Arithmetic, Geometry, Proportion, and Proportionality. Yan ay isang libro ng math. Pero doon sa librong math na yan, meron niyang portion, no? Anong portion yun? Details of calculation and recording describe the accounting methods then in use among Northern Italian merchants, including double entry bookkeeping. Ginagamit pa rin natin ito. Trial balance, balance sheet, and various other tools still employed by professional accountants. So, noong pa man may accounting na at sinimulan yan ng ama ng accounting. Ngayon, bakit natin kailangan pag-aralan ng accounting? Why you should study accounting? You'll have an enjoyable study experience. Accounting is relatively difficult field of study. However, if you love numbers, then you'll enjoy the challenge. You don't necessarily need to be a math wizard to have a degree in accounting. Knowing the basic of addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication is all you need, alongside good analysis skills. Ibig sabihin, kung gusto mong mag-aral ng accounting, mabuti yan kasi hindi mo naman kailangan talaga napakahusay mo sa math. Kung mahusay ka talaga sa math, mabuti rin. Pero kung hindi mo masyado, ang kailangan lang kasi dito yung normal. Simpleng multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Kaya lang kailangan marunong kang mag-analyze. Kasi mahalaga sa accounting yung analyzing of transaction. Number 2, you'll learn skills that can be applied in many areas of your life. In junior high school, everybody learns algebra, geometry, calculus, and or trigonometry. Unfortunately, not everyone uses this subject in their lives, often because they don't know how to apply them. If you're not looking to work as an engineer or an architect, then geometry may be of no use to you. When you have a career in accounting, you can apply accounting principles both at work and outside of work. Ibig sabihin, kung ang career mo napili ay sa accounting, accountancy, magagamit mo yan mula sa loob ng company mo hanggang sa labas, sa personal na buhay mo. Bakit? Kasi tayo nagbabudget sa family. So matututo ka mag-budget, matututo ka mag-record ng mga kailangan mo, mga bibilin mo. At ang simple math sa accounting and business math lang, then yung kailangan din sa pang-araw-araw na buhay. Percentage discount pag bumibili ka sa mga tindahan. Ito yung mga math na kailangan sa araw-araw na buhay natin. Number 3, you can take other degrees alongside accounting. It's common for accounting majors to take another degree simultaneously, as there are many courses that are related to accounting and finance. Hence, you can have double majors like the following: major in accounting and business management, major in accounting and finance, major in accounting and business entrepreneurship. Ibig sabihin, kung kukunin mo accounting, pwede ka mag-double degree. Bakit? Kukunin mo na lang yung konting subject doon sa kabilang degree, magdo-double degree ka na. No? Yan yung major in accounting and business finance, major in accounting and finance, major in accounting and business entrepreneurship. Pwede din triple degree kung gusto mo. Ibig sabihin yan, alam mo yung iba't ibang klase doon sa accounting. Kasi pagdating sa accounting, maraming klase yan. So marami kang specialization na pwede. At madali lang maintindihan kasi magkakadikit lang sila. Pang-apat, you'll get hired immediately. Madali ka matatanggap sa trabaho. Accounting is one of the jobs that have a high and fast hiring rate. Mabilis matanggap. It's without a doubt that jobs opening rates and availability of work are some of the top consideration of a student when choosing career. Everyone wants to land a good paying job fast. Lahat ng tao gusto pagkatapos na college, matanggap kagad. Isa sa pinakamabilis tanggapin sa trabaho, accounting. Kasi almost lahat ng business kailangan ng accountants. Almost lahat ng business kailangan ng accounting graduates. Kung di mga accountant, pwede lagay yan sa sales, pwede naman sa purchasing department, pwede almost sa lahat ng lugar. Pwede kasi yan yung normal na nagtatrabaho lang sa opisina. So kaya ng accountant lahat yun. Kung ayaw naman yung mag-function as doing financial report, no? Ibig sabihin, lahat yan ay pwede. Pwede yan nagbebenta sa selling department. So pwede lahat. Madaling matanggap sa trabaho ang accounting graduates. Number 5, you'll always be in demand. Every business industry or sector needs an accountant. Even with technological advancement, the skills of an accountant will still be a requirement in the office. There have been significant technological upgrades in the field, such as moving from written to digital ledgers and using more advanced application and software to help make work faster. Actually, mas madali pa nga gawin ngayon sapagkat gumagamit na tayo ng mga accounting application. Meron ng QuickBooks Tally, no? Meron na yung simple mga Excel, ginagamit na yan sa accounting. So, halos lahat ng company naghahanap ng accountant, maybe financial manager, financial and investment advisor, business analyst, pwedeng bookkeeper, assistant accountant, pwede lahat, no? Pwede almost, basta kailangan nila mag-records. You are expert in recording. At the same time, you are expert in numbers, recording numbers. So, bookkeeping, pwede naman, no? So, almost lahat yan nangangailangan para yung business nila ay maprotektahan. So, sa dami ng business, hindi kayo mawawalan talaga ng trabaho. So, ang susunod na topic natin, huwag niyong kakalimutan, napakaganda rin sa susunod ay ang branches of accounting. Yan, kung may mga tanong kayo, pwede kayong mag-chat sa akin doon sa comment section, doon sa ating channel para masagot ko ang anumang tanong niyo tungkol doon sa accounting. At kung may suggestion kayo, pwede rin naman. So, inaasahan ko na natuto kayo ng dagdag na kalaman sa accounting. Mas madali niyo maintindihan ang accounting sapagkat ito, introduction pala para maintindihan yung accounting. Yung accounting pala, nagre-record pala. Yung accounting pala, nagsasummarize at nag-a-analyze din. At gumagawa din sila ng report na maintindihan ng mga users. Yung mga users ng accounting, yan yung mga managers. Ibig sabihin ng users, sila yung gumagamit ng financial report. Sila yung nangangailangan ng data ng accounting. Managers, owner of the business. Pwede namang bangko, pag uutang ng isang kumpanya, hinihingi ng bangko yan. So, maraming gumagamit yan ng accounting. So, napakahalaga ng accounting. So, sana natuto po tayo sa ating pinag-aralan at lagi niyong tandaan na pag-aralan niyo ang accounting at talagang tatagumpay kayo sa inyong buhay kasi magagamit nito sa inyong personal na buhay at sa inyong career. Muli, huwag niyong kalimutan na i-like, mag-subscribe at i-share ang video nito. Maraming salamat.